All right, up for sale 2016 Kids ATV. This is a 110cc, which for a little ATV, this thing really moves. It has a little bit of chipping on the coating. The tires were worn from running on pavement. Still usable. All right, starts, runs, drives well. Brakes work great. Start it up. Take it for a ride. I do have the plastic piece that goes on the side. I just took it off because my big hands cannot get in there to operate the choke or the fuel shutoff. Now I'm going to ride it. Keep in mind I weigh just over 200 pounds and it brings me around no problem. See, runs and drives well. It might be a handful for a small child, so there is a speed limiter right